Hello, my name is Jose Hernandez and I'm the head of adult services for the Patchogue-Medford library. I'd like to show you how to use our resume writing software. Have you ever tried to make a resume online and you click on the first link in Google that says resume writing software and it's free? And when you're ready to print or send it, it asks you to put in your credit card information because it actually costs money to print or to send it. Well, this software is 100% free. It's professional and it'll make you look really, really smart. So where is it? The first step is to scroll over to the online library on the library homepage. When the menu appears, click on Databases A to Z to take you to the next page. On the Databases A to Z page, let's scroll down to where it says Testing and Education Reference Center. Clicking on the Careers and Jobs link at the top of this page will also bring you down to the Careers and Jobs Databases section 2. Click on the link and we'll head to the next page. On this page, enter your library code number, then press enter. On the following page, you'll be able to access the Testing and Education Reference Center homepage. Now that we're on the homepage, there's a few clicks we have to make here. Under What Type of Student Are You? Click on Career. Then click on Next below. You'll see another screen that says I want to. Click on Create a Resume. Once you do that, click Next again. When you see the next screen, it'll say Start Here. Click on Resume Builder, which will take you to the next page. On this page, you'll have two options for creating your resume. One is called Resume Builder, and the other one is called Visual CV Resume Creator. The first one is going to be discontinued, so you want to choose the second option. This company, Visual CV, does charge if you go directly to their website. With Testing and Education Reference Center, it's 100% free. Click on the Visual CV Resume Creator on this page. A new little block of text should appear. Click on Start Now, and you'll head to the Visual CV Resume Creator page. If you've never created an account here before, this new screen will ask you to either log in or register. If you've never been to this site before, you'll have to create a new account. Click on the Register button, which is next to the Login button. On the registration page, you'll need to enter your first and last name. You don't have to enter your email address, but it's highly recommended in case you lose your password and need to get back in to edit or download your resume. The librarians do not have access to your passwords, so unfortunately we won't be able to recover them if you lose them. After entering your email, you have to create a username and a password. That's used to make sure that when you request a password reset, it'll ask you a question and that you'll know the answer. Once you're all set up, click on Sign Up Now to log in. Now that we've logged in, this is Visual CV. If you've never been on this page before, this is the page to pick out how you want your resume to look. There are a number of different styles here to choose from. Pick the one that you think will look best. Again, these styles are all free. Once you have a model you want to choose, click on it. You'll now be able to create your resume. Here are a few editing tips. When you hover the mouse over sections of the resume, you'll have the option to edit these sections to your liking. If you click on the little pencil next to the section you want edited, a pop-up will appear. From here, you can edit that section. If you want to edit a different way, hover over the text you want to edit. Click, then go ahead and edit. You can still click on the small pencil icon on the section to trigger the pop-up. There are two ways to download your resume. On the top right-hand corner, click on Download PDF. When you see click, you'll see a PDF version of your resume. If you'd like to download your file as a Word file, click on Share. When the drop-down appears, click on Download.